Hi guys, so welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I will be basically showing you guys what I do at the gym on leg day and what I eat throughout the day. So let's begin. So I want to start by saying this is a body positivity type of video. I don't condone any type of hate comments. And with that being said, my first workout that I do start off with is the 12-3-30. And for some of you guys who don't know what that is, it is a treadmill workout in which I put the incline at 12, I go for a speed of 3, and then my time that I'm on the treadmill is for 30 minutes. This is honestly probably one of my favorite workouts I do because it really gets you sweating, gets you warmed up, and honestly, it's a really quick way for people who want to lose weight. So basically, here's me showing you guys that I did this workout for 30 minutes. It gets you really sweaty and real nasty, but it feels so good after you've completed it, and it's so rewarding. Trust me, my favorite workout ever. So then here's just a little snippet of me wiping down the treadmill after I finish the workout. Guys, it's super important, especially now and even then, to make sure you wipe down the equipment after you've finished using it, because we sweat a lot, we touch things, everyone has germs on them, so we just got to make sure it's clean for the next person to use. So my next workout is cable donkey kicks. I do 4 sets of 9, interchanging each leg between sets. I start off at 30 pounds and increase by 10 for each set. I honestly think this is like the perfect workout for the booty guys. I then go into my seated leg curls. Again, I do 4 sets of 9, starting weight at 40 and then increase by 20 for each set. This workout targets your quads, and if I know I can go heavier, then I will, but I always want to be careful not to overexert myself and then potentially get hurt. For my next workout, it is the outer hip abduction. Here you can see me mentally prepare myself. I do 4 sets of 9, starting weight at 50 and then increase by 20 for each set. After that, I do the inner hip abduction. This one is a little harder for me, so I start off at 30 and then increase by 20 for each set. And for this workout, I do leg extensions. Again, 4 sets of 9, starting weight at 40 and then increase by 20 for each set. I do really love this workout because it does target my hamstrings. And then here's just a quick snippet of me finishing my 5-minute cool down at a speed of 3 with no incline. Now with my morning workout done, typically it's about 9:30 in the morning and it takes me 30 minutes to get home. So now it's a perfect time for me to eat breakfast. My breakfast is pretty simple. I do a strawberry banana smoothie, which holds me over for a long time. I start off with 2 tablespoons of MCT oil, and then I do 3/4 of my Premier Protein vanilla shake, which has 30 grams of protein in it. And then I have a 1 cup of Greek yogurt. So I typically just throw it all in the blender and then I press it to turn on. So I sometimes end up making a little bit too much, and thankfully I had my best friend over, so I gave him some of my smoothie and he really loved it, so that just means it was top tier. So like my breakfast, my dinner is pretty basic. I do 1 bag of large shrimp, which I typically like to season with Creole seasoning and New Orleans Cajun seasoning. And then I take one of the small pouches that are inside my boil in a bag white rice and cook it. So I throw the shrimp in the big pan, I make my sauce in the small pan, and I put my rice in this one. And then it's super simple and super easy. I start off with organic olive oil just to make sure that the shrimp does have a nice little flavor to it. So while the shrimp's cooking away, I'm gonna go ahead and take 1 cup of water and throw it into the pan over here. It takes about 10 minutes for the rice to cook, so it gives me enough time to go ahead and finish making the sauce and then make sure the shrimp is fully cooked. So for my sauce, I use 4 tablespoons of a stick of butter, and then I take my 2 seasonings, plop it in there, and then I mix away. So while that's all going, I know my shrimp is just about done, my sauce looks really good, and my rice is basically finished. So I typically take about half of the sauce that I made and then I throw it in there with the shrimp so that while the shrimp is finishing cooking, the sauce can start to attach to the shrimp, if that makes sense. And then I do like to add a little bit of the New Orleans Cajun seasoning and sprinkle a little bit in there so that I know that my shrimp is fully seasoned. Makes no difference with how you present the meal, but I do like to do it in a bowl with the rice at the bottom and then I put the shrimp on the top. I do take the remainder of the sauce from both pans and scrape it off in there because I do like the sauce to also flavor the rice. So basically guys, this is it for the video. This is what I eat at dinner time, and I do hope you guys did enjoy this video of my gym day and what I eat.